Hello guys, please afternoon. Please come back to my channel, Billy Lupis. Hali kayo guys, lunch tayo. Ito ang ating pagkain ngayon guys. Ito ang sinigang na spare ribs with hipon. Yan, ang lalaking hipon. Yan, with lady finger guys and labanus. Lady finger in English, okra in Philippine. Philippine. Ito naman ang pansit. Isang buong manok ang sahog nito guys. Isang buong manok. Yan. Hali kayo guys, kain tayo. This is our food for today, for our lunch. And ito naman ang dalawang pizza Hut guys. Ito ang ating lunch guys. Ito ang ating lunch. Yan. Tumitira na yung isa ng isang pizza. Ayun naman yung mga bisita natin. Hi, yan.
Baka may single dyan.
Oh, may single ba dyan? Oh. Enjoy 20. Come on. Mamili ka dito. Ang gaganda nila. Oh.
Ito mga single
Ayan. Oh, yan, mga single. Never been kissed, never been touched. I'm only sweet 16. No, di ba? Lina kayo guys. Kain na. Kain. Kain guys, kain. May ka na anak ko, baba. Kain. Yan. Ito ang kaisa-isa naming prinsesa dito. Yan. Si Tata. Super bait yan. Mabait yan. Kain na guys. Ito ang ating lunch. Yan. Kain. Mayroon pa tayong lechon ng baboy. Lechon, yung ulo ng baboy ba? Saan na ba yun? Mayroon tayong paksiw. Lechon paksiw. Yan guys. Yan guys.
Sige mo na kayo.
Baba.
Bakit
Baba.
late na. Bakit Bang kayo kaya?
Wala pa yung iba guys. Wala pa. Nag-work si Ate. Wala pa si Florence. Si Lynn. Namalingki siya. Namili ng ipapabox niya.
Si Gemma umalis na rin.
Nahiya yun.
Kauluto ni Do.
Wala pa yung mga iba guys. Wala pa. Yung magagagandang natin, lady natin. Ayan. Mga ilungga guys. Yung mga ilunggo dyan. Ilungga. Come on.
Ay, nung ganyan. Malambing daw kami.
Oo.
Excuse me.
Ayan.
Malambing kami.
Malambing.
Malambing ako eh.
May sinigang na spare with hipon. Ayan. Ayan. Ay,
Salmon.
ayan. Salmon. Masarap ang salmon na sinigang.
Tapos puset. Saka tahong.
Halo na.
Ito naman pagkain namin ni Ruda. Pizza with pancit. Ayan.
Sino mag-rice na?
Ayan. Mamaya naman, no, gusto mo naman diri-diretso
Para isang ano lang.
mamaya naman. Sarap ng pizza guys. Ayan. Diet lang daw. Huwag kayong mag-diet.
Mataba na. Ako na, nagmataba ako. Sabi ng amo ko.
Hindi uso ang diet. Ilongga siya.
Lumaki yan sa Ilonggo. Hindi naman lumaki yan sa Manila.
Yan.
Lumaki siya.
Malapit nang matapos silang kumain guys.
Ay, ako nanay mo. Nanay ko.
Lechong paksiw. Yan, lechong paksiw guys. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is yummy lechong paksiw. Ito yung ulo ng baboy guys na binigay kay Tata. Ito niluluto namin lechong paksiw guys. Yan, lechong paksiw. Oh yeah. Ang bango-bango niya guys. Ang bango-bango. Please come and join and eat.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Ayan, ang lechong paksiw. Ayan.
Ano yan? Japanese.
Japanese egg.
Marinated egg.
Ay, Korean marinated egg guys. Ayan pa ang aming foods today. Ayan, ang galing ni Mylene na magluto guys.
Yan.
Korean, Japanese
Korean
egg.
marinated egg.
Marinated egg daw. Ayan. Please watch my video, guys. Ang bango-bango niya, guys. May sili, bawang, ano pa?
Ano lang kasi, medyo
Ayan.
maanghang, no?
Manghang daw, sesame oil. Ayan, guys. Ang
Sesame seeds.
sesame seeds.
Sesame
Ayan.
oil.
Ilaga mo lang tapos inano mo yung
Marinate mo.
Binabad
Gumawa ka
mo,
ng
di ba?
sauce.
Please watch my video, my friends in YT.
seeds.
Please come and join
green bell
us.
pepper.
Let's eat.
Yung lasa niya kasi.
Thank you, thank you,
Sugar.
thank you, thank
Tapos may
you.
Wala.
Happy, blessed Sunday. Ayan, guys. Ito mga foods namin.
Wala
Ayan, guys. Yan.
Wala.
Just another woman in love. I'm strong, I'm sure, I'm in control, a lady with a plan. Believing that life is a neat little package I hold in my hand. I've got it together, they call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Still I fumble and fall, run into the wall, 'cause when it comes to you, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a bitter in the wind, and I can wait to start seeing me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. So pardon me if I should stare and tremble like a child. That one thing me love, all over your face, is driving me wild. I'm just what you make me, can't wait till you take me and set all my feelings free. I know that you can, so come be my man. Tonight I wanna be, I'm just another woman in love. A kid out of school, a fire of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can wait to touch in me again. With you I'm just another woman, just another woman in love. I'm just another woman in love. I get out of school, I'm fired of control, just another fool. You touch me and I'm weak, I'm a feather in the wind, and I can wait to